that shit one time. Drop that shit one time. Drop that shit one time. Drop that shit one time. Like Coca Nostra.
Coast to coast, I got them things.
Like Coca Nostra.
We doing it right now. Mind your business.
Like Coca Nostra.
Coast to coast, I got them things.
Like Coca Nostra.
We doing it right now.
Yeah, I've been heard the rumors, people asking me why non-fiction broke up. Did you and your brother have beef? The Eric Ditch, Coca asking me your type of complicated personal shit. Weirdos on Twitter gossiping about whose verse is legit. Fuck do you care? Girls gossip TMCs for pussies and housewives who figured themselves to our lives. Mind your business, don't worry about the next man's plans, cause there's a very thin line between a fan and a stan. And fuck Facebook. In the real world, if you and me met, I'd sign your CD, snap a flick, and you'd respectfully step. So mind your business, Ben Franklin put it on a coin, Google it, read a book. Donald Goins made it humorous, exposing the planet. Stop being nosy and scandalous. Spoken language, part English, half spoken and Spanglish. Speaking every time, those beyond the average prevail. Even the deaf and blind know it. Sign language and braille. Mind your business.
Drop that shit. Drop that shit one time. Drop that shit one time. Drop that shit one time. Like Coca Nostra.
Coast to coast, I got them things.
Like Coca Nostra.
We doing it right now. Mind your business.
Like Coca Nostra.
Coast to coast, I got them things.
Like Coca Nostra.
We doing it right now.
Back in the days when I was coming up, I'm hungry as fuck. Had no Air Max, no Air Max, no gun in the truck. No wheels, no deals, ain't no fun and no luck. Just a pack of hard-headed goons running them up. Dudes got checked when they talk shit to even it out. Shot the fair one and started never leaving the house. Nowadays I sit back and gotta laugh at these little dudes fronting on the internet but act like they criminals. We know the difference who the bitches and girls are. Nah, I ain't as rich as all them snitches at World Star, but I can spot a rat with the camera phone who only beefs when he's with his man cause he can't alone. I've been the nice guy, but what am I, a jerk now? The shit is no good, something gotta get worked out. Your homie's coming out his face, is that your sidekick? I see the way that it is and I don't like it. Mind your business.
Drop that shit one time. Drop that shit one time. Drop that shit one time. Drop that shit one time.
You worried about